I just flew into New Orleans for the first time ever. I just checked into my Airbnb and I want to show you guys around. So come on, let's go. So this is the upstairs. We're actually going to start off backwards. The entryway is downstairs, but I figured I'd start upstairs. So if you don't know, New Orleans is really known for its rich history, and the architecture is really well known here. This looks like it used to be a historic home, and now it's been converted into different Airbnbs. So let's just take a look and explore together. I thought this is a decor and lifestyle channel, so let's look and see how we like the way this is set up. So this room here is the formal dining room. It looks like this is an add-on to the original house. So if you can see behind me, you have those shutter, like, what is that, ship? I don't know what the technical term is, but you can see that's the house behind me, and then this portion is the add-on. I really feel like they could have used a much bigger dining table for this room. The room is huge, and you have this small 4-seater dining table. If they would have did a 6 or 8-seater, it would have been more of like a wow moment. And against this wall, they have a credenza. It's also pretty basic. It just has a lamp and like a little vase, and the vase doesn't even have anything in it. This tour is really just gonna be like the architecture of the space and not so much how it was designed, because there's not really much to talk about. Like I said, this is the add-on, so you see there's like new flooring here. I really like their art choice. They have some cool art pieces. With an Airbnb, you can't always get so specific with your art pieces, but if I had an Airbnb, I would put very, very like unique pieces to me. Things that are conversation starters and not so much generic art. But if they had to pick generic art, I like some of the art choices that they have here. I'm not even sure what this thing is up top, but I think it's really cool. And I don't think it's original, so I wonder what the function is for, because it looks like it has a purpose. So this is the kitchen, and this does look original to the house. It has these really cool swinging doors. I don't know what the technical name is. If I can find it, I'll pop it in. The hardwood floors look very original, but they've updated it with some modern touches. The countertop, you can see, is pretty modern, and they picked a very in and trending color. It's just like olive-y color for the cabinets. I like that they kept the exposed brick. I think it adds a lot of character to the space. And again, you can see all the crown molding up top that just speaks to the original architecture of the space. But yeah, that's it for the kitchen. Again, it's pretty basic. They really could have added in so much more character. But, you know, with Airbnb, sometimes people just keep it simple to cut costs and make a profit. So let's check out the downstairs. Also, I noticed that they only have seating for 3, but this is an Airbnb suited for 4 people. So that's a markdown. If you guys want to check out my Airbnb video, I'll make sure to link it, or I'll put it as the next video at the end. So make sure you watch it until the end. I think that these stairs are a really cool feature. Are they sketchy? Yes, they're a little sketchy. This is such a cute little area, but I feel like it's such a missed opportunity. They could have put some really cute seating here. They could have put like maybe some kind of game, or I don't know, anything interactive. I just feel like this is such a dead zone. And if you guys have a space like this in your home, there are so many different things you can use a dead zone for. They could have put like a coffee bar, an actual bar, a little reading nook, a sitting area to like put your shoes on, or maybe even like a place for people to play games. That's probably not ideal because there's a bedroom right here and that would disturb whoever's sleeping here, but just think about those things when you're designing. Let's move on. So there's nothing too special about this room. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just the bed and the 2 nightstands. I'm glad they have a little sitting bench right here, but the walls are super plain. I feel like this whole video is just me bashing this Airbnb, but it's actually really cute. It's very cozy. I'm just adding like little things they could do to make it even pop even more. I don't know what that little window is. Like stranger danger alert right over there. This is the 2nd bedroom. This one I like a lot better than the other one. It has a lot more character. As you see, they like painted the ceiling that same lime, like olivey green. That's kind of a theme throughout the Airbnb. It was on the kitchen cabinets, it's on the front door, those 2 side little panels, and it's on the ceiling. So I think just doing something that simple can really bring your space up a notch, because it already looks so much better just with having the ceiling painted. I also really like this little sliding door. I think it's very charming. If I can get it to close. There we go. I can't get back in. And last but not least is this living room area. This is as soon as you walk into the front door. Again, they're playing off greens and natural colors. I love the little bohemian chair that they have here. I'm not gonna use this pillow because I know they don't wash it. I like it. This is a really cozy space, and I'm so excited to explore New Orleans. I have never been to New Orleans, so I can't wait to show you guys around, get some really great food, look at all the rich culture, and explore historic sites. Make sure you guys turn on your notifications because that video is coming next weekend. And that's it, guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye.